Okay, this barn's bigger. I'm just saying, for an old barn, that thing was huge.
Yeah.
There we go. We are at my family's farm, and we're checking out, see how the crops are doing. This is one of the barns that we have our tractors in. We have tons and tons and tons of tractors. I believe the last time I remember counting 10. I think they're up to 12. We have 2 combines now. So tons and tons of semis that take the fertilizer and the grains and the seeds and all that. This year we have soybeans, corn, and cattle. The other guys that run the farm for us, they actually live here. They are dealing with the cattle right now, so we're not going to bother them. I think they're doing something with females and probably fertilization. So anyways, yep, we're checking out the barn. Slade's never been over here. I wanted to show him some of the what are we doing with Case?
Yep.
What?
You got 2.
We don't buy Case. This is weird. Oh, we must have got a deal because they're combines. Okay, now I'm confused. This is weird. We're always John Deere fans. I am perplexed right now. Even though I know it's like Ford and Chevy type of thing. Who cares? They're both great. I normally only buy John Deere, so it is strange to me. What are you thinking, Slade? You liking this place?
Oh, yeah. Reminds me of home.
Nice. It's getting dark in here, guys, but we're just kind of showing you guys everything. So here's where it would till the soil, and then the next drop would be the actual seeds that go in, and we constantly change the types, so it puts in new types of nitrogen and minerals and stuff like that in the soil. If you keep doing the same ones over and over, they won't grow properly. So we'll constantly grow ground seed, so ground cover, and sometimes that's used for the cattle. Sounds like this year, the Sherricks that are running the farm said they have bought from a different farmer very cheap so they can actually feed the cattle with their old crop stuff. So what is it called? Silage, sorry. Man, it's been a while since I've had to keep up with the farm stuff, since we own it, but we don't run it. So yeah, here's one of my favorite tractors. This is a big one. So can you do it for reference? Can you stand over here, Slade? As you can see, the tire's probably 1.5 feet taller than him.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is a big one. Let's see if we can get up in there. Oh, it's even corn stuck in the. That's funny. Ooh. Now I don't run the tractors, so I'm not gonna get in them.
Oh, come on now. Think you could drag it?
Yeah, right. But we'll get a shot or two. Look at that. Let's get up there. Let's see the actual height. Ooh. So we're on top, well not on top, but we're at the actual height of the tractor looking in the barn. That's one big barn. That's what I'm used to seeing. John Deere. Ooh. Time to explore. Here's our older one. So this is the one that used to run it all the time. And we upgraded. Now I only get out here about once every 2 to 3 years, so it's been a while. Sorry, I have a case in frame. I didn't mean to do that. No, their Case is a really good brand. I'm surprised we're buying through them now. As you can see, they're almost as big as the John Deere. Alright, it's getting dark in here. Oh yeah. Like I said, I think we have 12 now, if I remember correctly. Try to keep up with it. Let's see. Let's get a light. We need a light source.
This is the one I drove multiple times.
What you got? Oh, this type?
This type is what I drove multiple times.
Oh, nice. Sorry, guys, it's dark. Oh, yeah, she's an oldie. It's probably 80s, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
80s, 90s.
Yeah, she's a beaut.
Yeah.
Damn. Give me a for instance.
Man, oh man.
You know she's old. I'm sure she runs really well.
Oh yeah. That's the jam.
Well, probably here ends the tour. Oh, we have two combines. Man, I can't even talk today. So that's been pretty nice. That's why I could have sworn we bought a John Deere.
Yeah. These ones are pretty tall.
Yeah, these are gorgeous. So be careful starting it because it'll probably won't run since it's a case. I'm terrible. Man, this is a big one. Yeah, you don't want to know how much all this equipment cost us. It's insane. I would say all this equipment, house-wise in Colorado, you could just for the equipment, you could probably buy 5 houses, maybe 6. And houses up there generally 700,000. So yeah, it's an expensive barn. Always loved this one though. This one was here on the first time I came out with Alyssa. That was Flower Girl. So that was brand spanking new. This is one we used probably the last 10 years. And we had some other ones, so we've upgraded quite a bit, but we've had some really good years too, so. Gorgeous. Let's go check on Mom. So we have 2 barns. I'm just gonna stick in for the first one. Maybe I'll point my head in there, but here's some of the semis and stuff like that. I believe we only own 2. The rest of them, the guys are probably either renting out or the guys that run the farm might own a few. I can't remember how that goes, so I don't keep track of all that. But here's my mother, Julia McNamara. She's gonna be YouTube famous now. So I went through a whole spiel for the audience here in the barn, showing them all the different tractors. I believe we're up to 12, if I remember correctly, they're talking about. So yeah, we've always had about 10, and they've upgraded quite a bit.
Look at all the flowers she's planted.
Just
It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous. This is a Sherrick. So a long time ago, we've sold them the property on our farm.
5 acres.
5 acres.
6 acres.
And they've it was an old farmhouse. They really renovated it. It looks absolutely beautiful. And the wife has done a really good job of planting flowers and stuff
And
like that. So.
There's the woods where the Indians camp.
Oh
The
yeah.
Iroquois Indians.
Yeah, we won't be able to get out there this year because the soybeans. I don't have a 4x4 car, so he said I'd have to take a truck. So we're not going to worry about the woods. We're down to I think 15, 20 acres, but it was fun out there. So hi, how you doing? Okay, I'm going to turn this off real quick, guys. Hold that. Yeah, you can so if you point it towards things, you'll get me some really good video. So you just go like this.
She's such a
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
How old's the other one?
Time finds a way to get us back to the start again. get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start. Life finds a way to bring us back where it all began. To bring us back where it all began. To bring us back where it all began. Life is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I had a way to rest and feel alive again. To rest and feel alive again. To rest and feel alive. Forget all the noise. We can just let it fade away. We can just let it fade away. We can just let it fade away. Life is beautiful, beautiful.
So you see the forest way out there, guys? That's mine. Then there's our family farm. There's the barns right there. There's that house we were just at. And you see the barns way out there. That's not ours. That stops by the road where those cattle are at. Huge farm for back home, for Colorado. Here, medium size. Okay, Mom, what did you think? We got to see our family farm.
Beautiful. Oh my, has it changed. I love it. The people that care for it take such efforts.
Yeah, the Sherricks are amazing people. I haven't seen the wife in forever. It's got been 10 plus years, so she came out and said hi to us. They're just the sweetest people.
Oh.
Yeah, our heart goes out to them. Thanks for taking in our farm for what, 40 plus years, something like that. So, yeah, they're great people. But yeah, glad Slade came out and got to see the farm. It's pretty much every bit you thought it would be.
Yeah, it was really cool.
So we had a blast, and we'll see you guys later.